Hello students, in the last lecture we have seen about the three types of artificial intelligences. In this lecture we are going to see what are the applications of AI in smart city. AI in smart cities is going to play a big role in making urbanization smarter, aim to be sustainable growth, making the cities equipped with advanced features to live, work, shop, and enjoy a safe and more convenient life in such an environment. Actually, while developing cities to make smart, several challenges like administration, sanitation, traffic congestion, security surveillance, parking management, and many more that AI can help to provide a sustainable solution to habitants. The use of artificial intelligence in smart cities can be life changing if implemented in the right spaces. There are multiple zones in cities or in urban development where AI can be used to improve the performance and efficiency of the system. So here are some areas: advanced security camera and surveillance system, then vehicle parking and traffic management system, autonomous flying objects for aerial view monitoring, face detection cameras and movement for public safety, smart waste and disposal management system, better governance and planning management. Let us see how AI works in these areas one by one. First is advanced security camera and surveillance system. AI enabled cameras and sensors can keep an eye on the surroundings to enhance the security level in the city's neighborhoods. Such cameras can recognize the people and their faces or track the unusual activities done by them in restricted areas. The high resolution AI cameras can track the movement of all registered vehicles and can monitor crowd density and cleanliness of public spaces around the clock. The historical data available from different departments of the city police can predict category and intensity of crimes, monitoring all such activities in the particular area. Next is vehicle parking and traffic management system. In cities, most of the people have their own cars, and also there is a huge movement of commercial vehicles to transport people as well as goods. So parking of such vehicles and traffic management is another space where AI can help. Using the road surface sensors or CCTV cameras incorporated into parking spots allow cities to create real-time parking and traffic maps, helping drivers to save their time by avoiding waiting to find an empty space to move smoothly or be in traffic. AI supported traffic sensor systems can use cameras to collect real-time data of vehicles on road and send it to a control center which collates the data fed from other points and adjusts the signal timings to ensure smooth flow of vehicles. Smart transportation also includes the public sector, and these are lots of opportunities for improvement of public transits. And now cab services like Uber are also using AI to give a better riding experience to its customers. Next benefit is autonomous flying objects for aerial view monitoring. AI-enabled drones or autonomous flying, similar objects can be used to monitor the inner city and houses or other concerning areas. The inbuilt cameras in drones help to provide the real-time visuals of the different locations where humans cannot reach easily or quickly, helping the administration and security departments to take timely actions. Autonomous flying drones can track humans, monitor traffic movement, and provide 2D aerial view imagery mapping for better urbanization of cities. It can be used for advanced security and surveillance for security departments and crime squad. Next category is face detection cameras and movement for public safety. Artificial intelligence in face recognition technology is capable to detect the different people from their faces, disclosing their personal identities. AI in security cameras or drones can recognize the human faces and match with the database to trace his identity and authenticate the person entering the cities, societies, and other restricted areas. Landmarking annotation is the technique used to train the AI-based model in the face recognition system. And to make cities smart, such high level of face detection technology is necessary to make the surroundings more safe and private. Next application is smart waste and disposal management system. People living in cities produce a huge amount of waste that is another challenge for urban management to find the right way of managing garbage and keep the environment clean to maintain the hygiene level in the society. AI enabled cameras can detect trash thrown on the street and recognize the types of garbage for categorization. But AI-enabled installing sensors on waste bins can make waste collection more efficient. Authorities can receive notification when the bins are about to be filled and ensure reducing operational cost by eliminating unnecessary pickups, providing dynamic collection routes and schedules for optimization of waste management. Better governance and planning management. While developing the cities or urban townships, AI or machine learning techniques can be used to map land use across time to generate crucial insights using the satellite imagery and aerial view 2D or 3D images of geographical areas. The algorithms trained through machine learning can analyze satellite images for city planning and development with the scope to adjust the formation based on changing data. Areas prone to calamities like flooding, earthquake, and storms. Such real-time as well as historical data can continuously be monitored to enable better governance. Next point is benefits of smart city development. The integration of artificial intelligence in smart cities has multiple benefits for humans as well as the environment. From an eco-friendly environment to sustainable development, AI in smart cities come with multiple types of advantages for everyone discussed below. The first is positive impact on the environmental conditions. One of the best benefits of smart city development is that there will be CO2 emission and it would be the main driver behind the development of smart and sustainable cities. And it would be possible due to energy efficient and eco-friendly waste and traffic management which helps to curb pollution that makes the environment less polluted. Next benefit is optimized energy and waste management. In smart cities, the Power generating grid and smart water management are leading factors that help to produce energy with less pollution. Such an approach also helps to get clean drinking water to keep our environment clean. Next benefit is more accessible transportation system. In smart cities, clean and efficient transportation of goods, services are essential for the people. In the hope of optimizing mobility, many cities are turning to smart technologies to ease traffic congestion and provide users with real-time updates. Next is advanced security and safety in the public. The safety of the people in cities is at topmost priority in such cities. The AI-enabled development of smart cities allowing municipalities to better monitor their citizens. So here CCTV cameras are used for facial recognition, which plays very important role in advanced security and safety of the public. AI cameras are also equipped with motion and smoke detectors for better security surveillance.